going on, fellas? Another shot video. Got an exhaust leak on this Mustang 3.8 2000. It's a paint special, I guess. Black car with a white hood, or painted over, as you can see. Well, anyways, they had an exhaust leak first thing in the morning. Heard it pretty well on this side of the engine, on the left side, driver's side. Pretty easy to do. It's not too bad. They can be a pain in the ass in case one of these studs break. And you gotta drill them out. It's gonna suck. So, put some WD-40. Soaked them up since yesterday. It's after lunch. Got it out. It's about an hour or so. 40 minutes. Common places where they leak. This one was leaking right here, right at the flange. I don't know if you guys see that right there. See the black soot? Usually leak there. Cracks where the wells are at. That's usually normal. There you go. Around here, here, or here. So around here. And then sometimes they leak down here as well. There's a new one. Look like headers. Seem like there's better welding, I guess. Alright, that's it on this one. Hopefully get a video on this Ranger, some valve cover gaskets later, so maybe 2 or 3 more videos. I got another F-150 went down. Had some metal in the oil pan. Hopefully get that one going too as well. Start giving you guys some more shop videos. Alright, catch you next time.